How to fix manage on-screen keyboard problem on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you can do is you can just go to the settings of the device and then scroll down to apps, then tap on manage apps and then search for the keyboard application over here. So make sure that you clear the cache of this application and clear the data if it's possible. After that, just go back and then on the search bar of the settings application of the device, just search for keyboard and it will lead you directly to the keyboard over here. Now just make sure that you toggle on this use on-screen keyboard application or the feature so that you can manage the problem related to it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.